What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and we're unboxing Cars Metal Mini Racers from the Disney Pixar Cars movies. These are made by Mattel, who also makes Hot Wheels, and they are really cool metal miniature versions of Cars characters. We have a 15 car pack, a 10 car pack, the Mack Transporter, 2 different 3 packs, and some launchers to open, so let's get started. The first set here is a great start for a Cars collection. It holds 15 different mini characters, and 2 of them are pretty special. On the back of the package, it shows all 15 characters that come inside this pack and also shows the other Cars characters available, so let's open this one up and check out each one. Now that we've got them out of the package, let's take a closer look at each Cars character in the set. At the top, we have the special metallic Rusty's Racing Center Lightning McQueen. Next to McQueen is the special blue metallic Intro Ramon. One of my favorite Cars characters, this is the cool Jackson Storm. I love the style of this little old pickup truck, and his name is Smokey. Another awesome classic looking Cars character is this guy named River Scott. Here's a great looking car, and this vintage girl is named Louise Nash. Next is a bright yellow racer, and her name is Cruz Ramirez. Alongside Cruz is a maroon colored girl, and this one is Natalie Certain. Over on the right is a tiny but bright little guy named Luigi. On the left side of the set is a rival of McQueen, the green guy Chick Hicks. The cool blue Dinoco racer with matching blue wheels is Cal Weathers. The iconic tow truck Mater we all love looks great as a mini racer model. Next to Mater is the purple race car Danny Swervez. The mini racer that keeps everyone under the speed limit, of course, is Sheriff. And car number 15 for this mini racers pack is Doc Hudson. There we have the mini racer characters inside of the giant 15 car variety pack, but of course there are way more Cars characters to collect. So the next set we're opening up is a variety 10 pack of Cars that features a special first look metallic Rusty's Lightning McQueen. This set comes with a mini racers checklist that shows the different series available, so you can keep track of which characters you still need to find. Now that the 10 car variety pack of minis has been opened up, let's take a look at each character. Just like the 15 car set, this pack also includes a mini gray Jackson Storm. Our 10 pack has another duplicate model. Once again, it's Cruz Ramirez. One of the coolest Cars characters in the pack is Dr. Damage the Rambulance. A very unique character from Cars 3 is the crazy looking motorhome named RV. This army green World War II veteran is named Sarge, who is based on a 41 Willys Jeep. In the center of the pack is the special first look metallic Rusty's Lightning McQueen. A favorite of mine is this purple Ramon, who is based on a Chevy Impala lowrider. Over on the right side of this set, we have a shiny metallic edition of Danny Swervez. The 10 car mini racers pack also includes the must-have tow truck Mater. And the last Cars character inside of this set is a metallic edition of Tim Treadless. Those are all 10 mini cars from the 10 car variety pack, but there are even more packs to take a look at. The next one we're opening up is a set of 3 characters titled the Cars 3 series. On the back of the box, it shows the other 3 packs, which include the metallic cars, derby racers, and Radiator Springs characters. The first car in the Cars 3 series is a new yellow first look model Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. The Cars 3 pack also features a character we saw in the other variety sets. It's Jackson Storm. And for the first time, we have an original red version of Lightning McQueen. Our second Cars 3 set we have to open is the Metallic series with 3 all-new shiny characters. Number 1 in this set is a very cool blue metallic fabulous edition of Lightning McQueen. Next is a new version of this popular character because this time it's a metallic color of Jackson Storm. And the final car in this special pack is a beautiful metallic gold Cruz Ramirez. So these 6 characters are from the Cars 3 pack and Metallic pack, but there are still 2 other sets out there that I haven't seen in any stores. On to our next awesome Cars Mini Racers package. This is the Mack Transporter for delivering your mini Cars characters to racetracks around the world. The Mack Transporter has storage on both sides of the truck, and there are 2 levels on each side, allowing storage for over 15 Mini Racers characters inside the truck. Here we have our perfect match for Mack, as this set includes a classic Lightning McQueen. Now the front door of the Mack Transporter does not come attached to the vehicle, but the instructions show you how easy it is to get the trailer ready to go. Check out this awesome yellow Mini Racers launcher. It's a very cool and compact design that holds a car until it's ready to race. This one is based on Cruz Ramirez and even includes her car in the set. You can take it on the go and the clip becomes a ramp, so then you just have to load up the car and fire it off the jump. There is another Mini Racers launcher available based on Jackson Storm, and just like Cruz's launcher, it's colored in his car's color and includes a Jackson Storm Mini inside the launcher. Once again, you can take it on the go and the clip becomes a ramp, so you can jump Jackson Storm right alongside Cruz. Both of these launchers are pretty cool accessories for the Mini Racers because it's a fun and easy way to race these characters. So there we have it, guys, the 15 car pack, the 10 car pack, 2 3 packs, the Mack Transporter, and 2 launchers unboxed, resulting in a sweet Mini Cars collection. I'm a big Disney Pixar fan, and of course Cars is one of my all-time favorites, so thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to comment down below who's your favorite Cars character.